So this is the second question of exercise 11.2. Here you have to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is given 8 centimeter. The base angle B is 45. AB minus AC, difference of two sides, is given as 3.5 centimeter. So you will first draw the base of the triangle, that is 8 centimeter BC. Then angle B you have to construct 45 degree. Now how to construct 45 degree? This also we have seen in the previous exercise. So following the same steps, you will be constructing 45 degree angle. First construct 90, and then when you bisect 90, you will get 45 degree. So this one I'm constructing 90 degree. Then you will bisect this 90 to get 45. Now on this line you will measure, that is angle B which we have constructed 45 degree. On this particular line measure 3.5 centimeter exactly. Mark that point as D. So BD is 3.5 centimeters. Then you will join DC. Then you will draw perpendicular bisector of DC. This is the perpendicular bisector of DC. You will join this. Now you will extend this so that this perpendicular bisector has to intersect with BD extended. So I'm extending perpendicular bisector also, and this BD also I will have to extend little bit so that they both intersect at a point. That point will be marked as A. Now you will join AC. So this triangle ABC, this will be your required triangle. Question number 3 is construct a triangle PQR in which QR is 6 centimeter, angle Q is 60 degree, and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. Here the base QR is given 6 centimeter. So first we will draw the base. First you can draw a rough figure which you can refer. So QR 6 centimeter. This is the first step. Then angle Q is given 60 degree. So you will construct angle Q as 60 degree. 60 degree construction also you have done in the first exercise. So this angle I'm extending behind, and that side I'm going to measure 2 centimeter now. That is not in the front, not ahead, but backwards I'm measuring. So this much is 2 centimeter which I have measured. Then I will join DR. And I will draw the perpendicular bisector of DR. So this is the perpendicular bisector of DR. Now this point where the perpendicular bisector meets this side, wherever they intersect, that point I have marked as P, and then I have joined PR. So PQR is the required triangle. So this is question number 5 of exercise 11.2. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and the sum of its hypotenuse and the other side is 18 centimeter. So base BC is 12 centimeter and sum of other two sides is given as 18. So BC 12 centimeter I have taken. Then I have to construct angle B as 90 degree because it's given it's a right angle triangle. So I'm making angle B 90 degree. This is 60, 120 and then bisect. Now sum of the other two sides is given as 18. So I have to measure 18 centimeters over here. So this is till 15 and then I have to extend by another 3 centimeters because this is 15. So another 3 centimeters to make it 18. Now this point will be marked as D. So BD is 18 centimeter. So exactly it is 18. Now next step will be join DC. Then we will draw the perpendicular bisector of DC, that is. Now radius should be more than half of DC. Then you will draw two arcs. Then without changing the radius from the other side. So this is the perpendicular bisector of DC. Now this perpendicular bisector will be extended. So this point of intersection of BD and the perpendicular bisector, that will be marked as A. Then you will join AC. So ABC is the required triangle.